Let's see what we have here. What kind of module is this that I found on Aliexpress, and it costs starting from $6 and is going up. Depends on which model you're gonna choose, and we have a couple of models right here. And what is it? It's a 36 watts PD quick charge 3.0 car charger with LED voltmeter. But it's not with numbers, it's with scale. That is nice. On-off switch for 12 or 24 volts, waterproof USB PD outlet, fast charge for car or motorcycle. This module is a nice gadget and it's cool looking. I ordered one, and of course I got it. Oh, no bubbles again. Alright. Also comes with two connectors, so you can hook up wires. That is good. And you can mount on your panel maybe. And only have two connectors, positive and negative. Waterproof. Oh, sticker. I hate stickers. Come on. Alright. Open. And it's not complicated because it's not turned on. Okay, I got this model, which is with one Type A quick charge 3.0 and PD Type C connector, but you can choose with two USB Type A. You can choose with what is this? With fuse cable. That is also nice. Alright, also it have on-off switch. Let's see that. Alright. As you can see, my power supply is set on 12 volts. I'm gonna apply the wires, positive to positive, negative to negative, and see what will happen. Nothing. Why? Because you need to push the on-off button. Take a look. Oh, ooh. It shows with the scale, red scale, 11.8. Alright. Turning off. When it's off, we have a red light. That means it's off. And I'm gonna increase the voltage. Let's go to, now it shows 13 volts, but on my power supply I have 13.3 volts. It's pretty accurate. Let's go to 13.14 volts. Here we have almost 13.8 volts. 14.4 volts indicates 13.8, 14 volts. 14.2, 14.6, and 14.8 we have the full scale, and right here it shows 14.6. Is it? Oh, we have one more LED. At 15 volts this thing is showing 14.6. Oh, it's pretty accurate. Wow. I love that LED scale. With red, orange and green color. Nice. Turning off, turning on. Beautiful. To share my coffee page where you can support me with one coffee or more if you like it, and that is the way to support my work, to support the channel and to support electronics. Thank you very much. The link will be in the description below so you can check it. I'm gonna try to charge my phone. I'm gonna use my USB Voltmeter. Plug in right here. Okay. And yes, we have fast charging, and it's pulling 1.6 amperes right now. Oh, and take a look, we have a beautiful animation that the USB is working, is charging. Nice. And from power supply is pulling 1 ampere, but on my Type-C USB wattmeter it says 1.4 amperes. Beautiful. Okay, now I'm gonna try the Type-C PD trigger, PD charger. Yes, we have fast charging, 1.8 amperes. Nice. Working. Now I'm gonna use my electronic load and I'm gonna test it. Will it give 3 amperes? Let's do that now. By the way, this is my electronic load, 35 watts maximum, and also in the link in description below there will be a link so you can check it. It's around $10 US, I think, if I remember. I'm gonna plug in to the... Okay. It's set on 1.8, but it's not running yet. I need to hit on and take a look. It's pulling 1.8 amperes from power supply, 700 milliamperes. That is 10 watts. I'm gonna increase the... Oh, the fan has turned it on. 2 amperes, 2.4 amperes. The voltage still stay at 5 volts. Will it hit 3 amperes? 2.8, 9. And yes, we have 3 amperes. 18 watts. Let's go a little bit more. 3.5 amperes and the voltage dropped to 4.99. This thing is working perfect. 20 watts from the power supply. Whoa, this is nice. I love it. Okay. Nice module. A beautiful gadget. Maybe for your camper, for your car or motorcycle, with charger for phones and beautiful voltage indicator. Alright, that was all for today's video. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya!